Hello. In this video, we'll be going over the US4 Space-Only Stand Design Submission Form. First, go to the Common.com webpage. Once you're here, locate the Exhibitor Zone dropdown and click on the show you're participating in. Once your Exhibitor Zone has populated, please go to the USA Partnership Pavilion forms. Scroll farther down till you come to the US4 Space-Only Stand Design Submission Form. Here you will also see the deadline in which you must submit this design by. When the page is populated, you will see your exhibitor service person, who, if you have any questions, you are free to contact them via phone or email, where you must submit the actual design. You also must complete your company information, as well as who your stand contractor will be. Once you've completed this information, you can hit Submit.